Dane, I am so excited to be sitting in the brand new furniture department of Revivals, surrounded by all of this beautiful Mode furniture. Look at this living room, this space. I mean, it's incredible how many different options that you have when you're shopping at Revivals. I love that it's clean and modern, but there's also a warmth to the fabrics you're choosing.
As we make selections, we keep in mind who the customer is and what we think they will like.
Okay.
Certainly there are colors within the market that sell better than others. You're always very safe with gray sofas,
right,
for sure. In Palm Springs, we can sell colors like orange. People love this.
This chair I'm obsessed with. It has to sell as fast as you get it.
We have to buy this chair in sixes.
Oh, wow.
This chair is called the Mardi Gras chair, which is the perfect name, right, for the color?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful yarn-dyed chair.
Comfortable. When people are coming in for bar stools, like what do I need to know about a bar stool when I'm buying one?
Well, you need to know, first of all, do you need a bar stool or do you need a counter height stool, right? Now, the way to get around that is to buy these adjustable bar stools that go up and down to your need. So not only does that fluctuate between a bar height and a counter height, it would fluctuate based on size of person, right?
Okay.
And most of what we sell are these adjustable ones.
So you can buy something that's neutral and it's going to go with any decor, or you can grab something in a pop of color and just add that sort of mid-century vibe to your home.
Absolutely, and this is our best-selling bar stool because it comes in so many color choices.
Okay, we've got to talk about dining. This is my style because I like how the chairs don't always matchy-match.
Right.
So I'm assuming I can buy the table and the chairs if I shop at Revivals separately and then create that eclectic look that I want?
Most often we will let you choose your table and your chair. People love to mix.
Yeah.
Some people will buy 4 different chairs for a table this size. They won't put one chair on it that's the same, right?
Right.
And so it's really important that you get to make this your own, make it your style.
I would assume that people will often choose a table from your new selection and then go and find resale chairs to mix in as well.
That's a fact.
And so you can just bring them over and see if they look great with your table right here in the store before you even take them home.
Right, or vice versa, right?
Okay, bed frames, dressers, and brand new mattresses. What are your best-selling mattresses, or what mattresses do people most often buy when they come to Revivals?
This mattress is from Ashley, who is a big vendor for us. Okay. We sell a lot of Ashley product. This is their version of the Tempur-Pedic mattress.
Okay.
As you can see, it's about 1/4 of the cost of Tempur-Pedic.
It's so affordable.
This is our #1 best-selling Ashley mattress.
I mean, I could have a good night's sleep on this mattress.
You could.
And so you can buy the mattress, the box spring, and the headboards. And I love that you've thought about bringing in all the coordinating pieces so that I don't have to go to multiple stores. I can get the mattress, the headboard, and the dressers all at one shop. Dane, what is this magic device and how are your customers using it?
We recognize that we're never going to have everything that somebody wants, that there are going to be things that they need that are specific, color, or whatever it may be. So we have a kiosk in our stores. Everything on this kiosk is currently in stock at the vendor.
If I order it today and it's in stock, how soon might it arrive at the Revival store?
Typically, it'll be here in a week.
Okay.
The longest usually would be 2 weeks.
Can I expect the same low Revivals pricing if I look at this kiosk?
Absolutely.
I can special order through this kiosk and you're not going to charge me extra?
Nope.
Wow, that's pretty cool. I don't think I've seen that in another retail before. How many pieces of furniture do you think are loaded into this device?
Oh my gosh, thousands.
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 Oh my God, thank you for this tour of the Mode collection at Revivals. I have learned so much that I didn't know about what's available. And I'm especially impressed that 100% of the profits, even from the brand new furniture, goes back to support comprehensive care at DAP Health.
Well, I appreciate you letting me walk you through Mode. I could talk about it all day.
I think the only thing that's left for me to do is to find my perfect piece of furniture and get comfortable knowing that I've made an impact in my community by buying it at Revivals.